Good morning.
Okay, thanks for watching it.
This morning, I did not eat breakfast with the hotel. I got DoorDash because I wanted to get Chick-fil-A, but Chick-fil-A doesn't serve waffle fries in the morning, so I did not get Chick-fil-A. I just ended up getting McDonald's, hotcakes, smoothie, and hash brown.
I got the hash browns from McDonald's.
Is that all?
Yep.
What? Seriously?
Yes.
You didn't eat like breakfast?
Girl, that is breakfast.
I'm a DoorDash girly now.
Don't judge me on my
I'm not.
nutritional choices.
I'm a DoorDash girly now.
I'm gonna use it all the time now. Like,
Does she know she was pregnant?
I don't think she knew she was pregnant.
she looks pregnant, girl. I feel like whenever we start with California, we have a good day. It's just because we start the day with the Incredicoaster.
Yeah, the morning
Like,
coffee. Our morning coffee, the Incredicoaster. Can we do Guardians tonight?
Let's do Guardians all day.
Yesterday the wafer was so quick. I was like, we're just moving. I was out of breath.
You're out of breath, girl? Damn, bitch, were you guys sprinting through it? Oh my god.
Quite literally. Today, me and Kepa are matching. I'm wearing a blue dress. And he's wearing
I have blue pants.
blue pants.
Blue corduroy pants.
Blue corduroy pants. We're so cute. Yesterday, before I went to bed,
What are you?
I'm gonna tell them about Sam. Sorry, his name is Sammy. Maybe it's short for Samuel. Samantha.
Girl, what if his name was Samantha?
As the security guard.
I can't even laugh. Like,
Too much screaming.
Scream.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Take a moment before your day gets going. Take a mindful moment to yourself. Thanks, Apple Watch. Good morning. Good morning. How? How's it feeling?
Fucking feel this way. It's so freaking
Hey. Hi, this is a secret vlog. Asia's never gonna find this.
She's in the bathroom.
I'm taking a piss.
What do you want to say?
Oh, we got our, what are these called?
Slushies
Yeah, we got slushies from Bing Bong. Bing Bong,
from
Bing Bong.
Bing Bong Sweet Treats. It's cherry lemonade with, if you can see,
You can see mine.
the
Am I?
mango, the mango boba. I would rate it 6 out of 10. It's not like, wow, this is good. It's like, okay, it's good enough because it's freaking hot. It's hot. We're gonna go to Grizzlies.
I would rate it 7 out of 10 sways just because it's hot.
The way in which I need one of these cameras.
I know, it's so good, right? Like, I just want one just to like film. I don't want to edit. Also, while we were waiting for our drinks, there was this, I was like being all mysterious in the corner. And then there was this family that walked in. And this guy's little sister, yeah, this fine guy's little sister, like walked up next to me and started like touching the wall or something. And so like he went to come get her and he was like, oh, I'm sorry. And I was like,
Not
oh
the
my
straight
God.
voice.
It's okay.
It's what?
And my pussy was literally about to explode.
Bye.
We're also getting shocked by the sun right now.
Our little piece of shade right now.
actually so bad. We got pasta. If she didn't inform you guys, we got pasta. And you spilled your drink.
Okay, so they have like trays here, right? And when you make your drink, they don't get a cover first. So when I got my pizza, I was walking with my tray and my drink. And I don't know, I guess I just wasn't paying attention. And my drink I jerked the tray and my drink spilled like all over my pizza. And I was like, can I get some more? Because I was like, I'm not about to eat this soggy ass.
People here like don't give you straws.
Yeah.
Like most of the time, like when we get a drink, there's not even like a cover or a straw. I don't know what it is. They don't like, even have like a plastic ban here. So
Yeah.
I don't know.
Maybe California does.
I don't know.
Or maybe Anaheim, just like the city. Or maybe it's just like a Disney thing. Who knows?
Okay,
We're not from here.
Oh my god. He's so cute. Hi, gorgeous. Crying. We just rode our last Guardians of the Galaxy, and this ride we didn't like hold on to anything, so it was really good. We're heading towards Cars Land right now. I brought a gauntlet, and me and Kristen both have maters, which came with a kids meal, which is the sleigh. Very excited to figure out how I'm gonna fit that in my luggage on the way home. But we're gonna go to Cars Land right now to take pictures and Luigi. We're gonna dance. We're gonna be dancing.
gosh, which girl should I bring out?
Girl. Girl. What were you saying earlier? Some people are getting married.
Some people are getting married while I'm out here spending like $2,000 at Disneyland.
Feeling tired. So sleep.
Girl, the way I could just fall asleep like this.
Ready to go on Tinder.
Ready to go to fucking sleep.
Girl, no, I'm not ready to go to sleep.
Hi guys, I'm ready to go back to the hotel, organize my things, and deal with my mommy issues, so. I'm not.
The way that it's like, I don't even know why they called it a vlog, bro. There's nothing close to
I don't want to get on that fucking plane tomorrow.
Girl, oh my god.
The way we have work on Monday, all of it. Either you have work on Monday? Just left Disneyland and took Harbor Line. A lot of rude bitches came to the bus stop after we got there and then tried to cut in front of us so that they could get a seat.
A lot of them were successful. It was so good.
Oh, did you get that grilled cheese tomato soup? How was it? It was amazing. Good?
Amazing as always. I wish we got it more.
Do you think they do Uber Eats from Disneyland? Do you? Hey, can you want to get this sundae from Gibson Girl Ice Cream Parlor?
Girl.
Bring it over here.
Hey McDonald's, can I have 2 large fries?
Oh, that's weird. Have you noticed that some of the places close at like weird times?
Like 2:30?
No, like 11:34 or like 11:44. Have you noticed that?
I haven't seen that yet.
Oh, like look. Weird, right?
11:34. What? Why? It's so specific.
Yeah.
You're so right. I don't even know. Thanks for being the voice.
Oh my god, gelato. Hello. Just finished packing everything. My luggage and my carry-on, and then my backpack. It's, oh my god, where's my phone? I lost it again. It is 1:30 in the morning, and we just finished packing. Me and Kepa finished packing.
Yeah.
Play.
Well, I'm not done fully.
Okay, well, was mostly
With the hard
worried
shit.
for Kepa because BFF only brought 1 luggage, but BFF
Girl.
made it work.
I made it work.
Are you gonna put the Dumbo box in your bag?
I'm throwing that shit away.
Oh, you are.
It can't fit, girl.
Oh, there it is. Thanks for looking.
Yeah, I kicked it and I was like, ooh, this is hard.
Ooh, jewelry.
Ooh, money.
Oh no, I don't want to open it back up, girl. So earlier I was looking, I had a small bag and it had jewelry in it that I bought like last night, and I didn't like see it when I packed it, and I thought I packed it, but Kepa just kicked a bag on the floor and I happened to stumble upon the jewelry that I bought, which is a very cute Tinkerbell necklace, which is not in focus. Oh, there it is. But yeah. So
Where's the second one? I saw tomato.
okay. If you want to know what the inside of my luggage looks like, this is what it looks like.
Where?
This is embarrassing. It's all of my souvenirs. But feeling very lucky. My luggage is like 40-ish pounds. And then my carry-on is like 21 pounds, and the max is gonna be 25 for Hawaiian. So done. My outfits for tomorrow, and all I need to pack is just my cables, my glasses, my tablet, and my battery charger. and my Apple Watch, just the little stuff. And then I think I'm literally ready to go. I have my backpack here and I'm pretty much ready to go.